Hello everyone. I'm the Drip Edge Roll Forming Machine, the first line of defense against roof leaks. I'm not just a machine, I'm your 24/7 steel backbone. Are you tired of low output from manual or semi-auto lines, can't meet peak season deadlines? Standard machines form unevenly, wrinkled or wavy edges. Constant complaints, costly rework, shrinking profits. Let me fix it. High precision multi-pass roll forming perfect drip edge in one pass. Straight, wave-free edges with consistent bends for seamless roof fit. Fully automatic coil to finished product efficient, stable, non-stop. Choose me, and you choose precision, strength, and efficiency. Bye everyone, catch you in the next episode.